Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup challenge video, and I'm actually going to be doing my makeup or part of my makeup with my little sister's makeup, which is all of this right here. If I get 20 likes on this video, I will do a full face with just kids makeup. So go down below, hit that like button so we can get to 20 likes. Now, if you are new to my channel, go down below and hit that subscribe and bell notification button so I can keep you up to date with the latest tips, tricks, and tutorials that I do on my channel. That way I can make sure that I can keep your face beat all year long. So going through my sister's room, I found this Barbie Purse Perfect makeup case. And it has a lip gloss pod, some blushes, some face makeup, which I don't know what that means, and some lip gloss, again, applicators, and some rings. So let's just open this up. Now I'm gonna put these rings on because I can. And then right here, I guess this is the lip gloss pod. Let's just apply some lip glosses. Actually, no, let's start with the blushes, which are these 3 pots right here. If I can get them out.
2 hours later.
Here's the 3 blushes. Oh, and it actually says blush in the back. Huh. And it has, I guess doesn't matter how much it comes in it, but she has used some of these. So I'm gonna try to use ones that she hasn't used. She's used these 2, which is like a light pink and a darker pink, and pink doesn't look good on me anyways. And this is more like an orange gloss, so let's try this one. Not gloss, blush. I have my mirror right here. This is just, I don't know if it is like lip balm, but it's just like sticky, barely any pigment in it. Not sure how this is gonna give me a blush. Ugh. It's not giving me any pigmentation at all, but we're just gonna apply that. And I'm only using my fingers. I'm not gonna use my brushes for this. It's not, can you see anything in my face? Because I only see just my face getting glossy. Yeah, I think we need to get her some new makeup. But there goes my blush.
Where they at though? Where they at though?
But it's not there at all, it's just glossy on my cheeks. If I break out because of this, I'm blaming my sister. Let's move on. I'm gonna move on to the eyes now, which I realized that the eyeshadows are also sticky, which are these 2 right here. Let me just remove this. These 2 right here and this one over here. I don't know if you can see those 2 blue, the blue and the purple, and this blue over here. This is falling apart. My rings are very nice. I like it. Anyway, so I'm gonna use again my fingers to apply these to my eyes. This is the light blue. This case is very inconvenient because I can't, like, it doesn't have a mirror and I can hold my mirror and the case at the same time. Oh, okay, that's not bad. If I had like a base underneath, and I will definitely put this blue on top. Alright, it's sticky, so I don't really like it. Were you guys allowed to use makeup when you guys were kids? I was allowed, but it was like stuff like this. Not really like real makeup. I didn't really get into like real makeup until I was like think it was 15 or 16 years old. And even then, it was very light and natural stuff. Okay, this blue is kind of cute. Apply some of that purple shade. And the applicator that comes in here, I think she has used it. I'm gonna tell her to wash it. So, put that in there because I'm not using that. Tell her to wash that. Alright, I'm gonna keep this simple. Move on to the other eye. For under my eyes, I'm going to use the other blue, which is on this end over here. I'm gonna use my pinky finger. Is that what it's called? Pinky finger? Let's go. This one is more sheer. It's not really a color in it. How do you do your makeup with your fingers? I can't even see if I'm applying it right. This video is kind of like a double challenge because I am doing my makeup with kids makeup, and then I'm also applying the makeup with my fingers. So I mean, I don't know. And as you can see, like the two colors on the top and the bottom is pretty much the same. So she needs better makeup. She really does. Oh boy. Just blend that out a little bit. We'll just end up with a big, just like a blue eye. Here we go. Let's go to the other eye. It's already creasing over here. This is like, I feel like I need to put some powder on top so it doesn't crease. I don't know if you can see. See, it's creasing. It's definitely not good. So now my eyes are all blue, but they'll look a hot mess, and that's okay because Daddy needs to buy her a new makeup. New makeup, please. Now moving on to the lips, and for the lips I have two options. One of them is this pot right here with like 6 different shades, and then it's this lip gloss right here, and I think I'm gonna use something from this spot right here, and we shall see how that comes out. I'm gonna use the purple one. Like my hands like shaking because I don't know, I'm sweating in here. The AC is off and I'm literally sweating. So if you see sweat dripping down my face, these people have me dying. I don't know why they don't turn the AC on. So here goes purple. And these shades that I'm grabbing are the ones that she hasn't used. So people chill. Okay, it's giving me a little bit of like a stain. Just like a little bit of stain on my lips, but not really color. I feel like I want to dig it. I'm gonna dig it. I dug some of it out. Oh yeah. Ooh, oh, look at that. Okay, I like it. I like this. So I'm gonna tell her that she needs to dig it out so she can get some color. This is kind of tasting like Similac and germs right now, and I can feel myself getting sick already. But doesn't it look cute though? All the things that we do to look snatched. Oh, it's cute. I wonder if I'm actually looking like a Barbie now. My lips. I'm gonna say the actual these glosses or whatever the lipsticks thingies is actually cute and pigmented once you put like your finger in it and dig some stuff out. But my eyes look all sticky. Like, look, it feels so sticky. Any creases. So I am definitely gonna probably find my sister something better for her to play with.